Nice! Hello everyone! In today's video I'm going to show you how to make a cool morph transition using Canva. You will learn how to create an awesome intro for your videos. First off, you need a Canva Pro account. We will be selecting a new design for this, especially a video format, so your video has to be 1920x1080. If you want the same Canva design as mine, which is rulers here and here, these rulers are easy to use for adding guidelines to your project. Just press these certain keys on your keyboard. I'm going to my upload section where I've uploaded a photo of New York. You can use any photo you like. I'm copying the photo and adjusting its size. If you double click on the photo, then it allows you to move it around. And then click on Done when you're satisfied with the placement. Now we are going to create some text. I go to the text section in the left toolbar and select Add a subheading. You can click anywhere and then type in something fun. It doesn't matter which text you select. I'm writing New York and making the text bigger. And I'm changing the color and also putting it in the uppercase so the text is in caps lock. And then I position the text. Now you need to pay attention to the screen. You need to copy the background photo, and in my case it's the New York photo, and I paste it into my project. So you have now two identical pictures. You will see now the New York text disappear, but the text will be back if you click on Edit Photo and then BG Remover, and the BG Remover feature of Canva created this photo, and that's the PNG image. So the background disappeared on your photo. If you do the right click with your mouse and select layers and then show all layers, you will see now three layers. The first one is the photo where you deleted the background, the second one is the text, and the third one is the normal one. I hope that someone understands what I mean. If you have any questions, please ask them in the comment section under this video. Then next in the element search toolbar, look for a nice background. I'm choosing a golden hour background, but you can choose any background you like, such as a beautiful blue sky or a cool magic background or even a space background. Once you found it, your background photo, I select mine, so I have selected the golden hour photo. I do the right click with my mouse, a menu will appear and I go to the layer section and then show all layers and then drag the background under your text, and in my case is that the New York text. Then I select the first photo layer and I edit it. I'm making the photo darker to make it look like everyone has fallen in sleep or is going to bed. It's dark, so you need to play around with the buttons yourself. I am adjusting all the light settings. Now you duplicate the first page. Okay, it seems like there is a glitch here because I should be getting the same page. Oh, there he is. Then select the first slide, do the right click with your mouse and then go to layers, show all layers, and then select the text and drag it down out of view. Make sure the text hasn't disappeared on your design, but is still a layer. Then click on the background photo that you just created. I click on mine, the golden hour photo, and you need to adjust the transparency to 0. Then you need to select the top layer and reset it, and adjust all the edits you've made earlier to your photo. And then I apply the transition to the first slide. I'm choosing the match and move transition and I set it to 1.5 seconds. And then I duplicate the first slide and drag it to the slide 3. And then you applying the same match and move transition there too. And now you can play your video and you have created the transition, so as you can see. I hope this video was helpful for someone out there. If you have any questions, you can ask them in the comment section under this video. I will do my best to help you. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a like and consider subscribing.